In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Redis cache for WordPress on Cloudways. If you've been wanting to speed up your WordPress site to enhance user experience and boost SEO rankings, enabling Redis cache can be a game changer. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to get your WordPress site running faster and more efficiently. First off, let's navigate to the managed cloud hosting platform Cloudways and get started on this journey. Open your web browser and head to the Cloudways homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that. Click on the login button, which is usually located right at the top of the page. Enter your credentials and sign in. It's pretty straightforward if you already have an account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Cloudways dashboard. This dashboard is your control center where you can manage all your applications and configurations. From here, you want to click on My Applications. This section contains all the applications that you have hosted with Cloudways. It's the hub for managing each app individually. Now let's proceed to select the application where you want to enable Redis cache. Click on Applications and a list displaying each of your hosted applications will appear. From here, select the specific WordPress application you wish to work on. Once you click on it, you'll need to access the details specific to this application. Inside the application management page, you'll spot different tabs. Here, click on Access Details. This section provides you with all the necessary information and links to access your WordPress admin panel, among other vital configuration details. The next step is to access the WordPress admin panel. In the Access Details section, find and click on the admin panel link. This action will direct you immediately to your WordPress site's backend, where you can make various administrative adjustments, including plugin configurations and settings for cache management. Once inside your WordPress admin dashboard, hover over the settings menu on the sidebar and then proceed to click on Object Cache. This page will allow you to manage the cache settings necessary to enable Redis. Enabling Redis through the Object Cache settings might involve simply checking a box and saving changes. However, specifics can vary depending on your server setup. And there you have it, your Redis cache is now enabled, ready to enhance the performance of your WordPress website on Cloudways. Remember, these changes aim to improve your site speed significantly, so always monitor your site performance post-implementation for optimal results. Thank you for watching and happy optimizing.